Hi guys, today we're going to be making vector diagrams in PowerPoint. The question reads, create a vector diagram depicting the addition of the vector u and v. You do not need to calculate the resultant, you just need to draw it. Ensure your diagrams include a frame of reference. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to insert an arrow. I'm going to draw a northwards facing arrow, select a weight that is easy to see. 3 works good for me, and I'm going to change the color to black. I'm going to label this as north. And I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to do an eastward facing one. So this is going to be our frame of reference for our vector diagram. Resize it just so it looks pretty good. Okay. Label this as east, and we should be ready to start the actual question now. So we have our frame of reference. The next thing we need is a scale. I'm going to grab this arrow here, copy and paste it. I'm going to go up to shape format, and I'm going to set that equal to 1. Because I noticed that u is 15 meters per second and v is 10 meters per second, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this arrow here is just equal to 5 meters per second. This means that one of these I'm going to need 3 of these arrows to represent u and 2 of these arrows to represent v. And I'm just going to make a quick note, this is our scale. Great. So let's take a look at u first. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it down here. And I'm going to go up to shape format. I'm going to set this, I need 3 of these 5 meter per second arrows to make 15. So I'll set that equal to 3. And I'm going to change the color to red. And now I need to set the direction. This is north 40 degrees east. So our arrow, we're going to need to rotate this so then it points upwards. And now we need to send this 40 degrees towards the east. Go to the format pane, go to the resizing section, and we're going to rotate this so it's 40 degrees more to the right. In order to do that, I should get a rotation angle of 310. So this is going to be our vector u, and I will just simply grab this as the label and insert it right next to our vector. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do v. So I'm going to grab our scale here, going to copy it and paste it, and I'm going to change the color to blue. I need 2 of these to make 10 meters per second, so I'm going to change that to 2. And we know that it's west 20 degrees south, so this is facing in the wrong direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip that horizontally, so now it's facing to the west, and it needs to go 20 degrees to the south. So go back over here, and I'm going to rotate that so it's 20 degrees southwards. Great. There is our second vector. I'm going to grab the label, and I'm going to put that in right next to it. The last thing we need to do is make the diagram depicting their sum. Well, in order to add up 2 vectors, we need to use the tip to tail method. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this blue vector, I'm going to paste the tail of it at the top of the red vector, make sure our labels are there, and now we just need to draw the resulting vector. Well, the resulting vector is just going to be the vector which has its tail at the base of the red vector and at the tip of the blue vector. This is our resultant vector. I'm going to change the color of that to purple, and this is going to be equal to u plus v. And there we have it. That's everything that you need to do in order to answer this question. Just change the numbers so they match whatever you are using.